Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a lobster roll in Dreamlight Valley. First, you'll need to collect all the necessary ingredients for this delicious dish. Head to the Glade of Trust to fish for a lobster. You can purchase butter from Ramai's Pantry. Lemons grow on trees in the Forest of Valor and Glade of Trust. Finally, grab some wheat from Goofy's stall in the peaceful meadow. Once you have all your ingredients, find any cooking station in the valley. Place the lobster, butter, lemon, and wheat into the pot. Remember, you'll need one coal ore to power the cooking process. This simple combination will create a fantastic 5-star lobster roll, perfect for boosting your energy or selling for a good profit. Your freshly made lobster roll is now ready to enjoy. Consuming this 5-star meal will instantly restore 928 energy, allowing you to continue your adventures without interruption. If you're looking to earn some extra star coins, selling the lobster roll will net you 900 coins. It's also a wonderful gift to give your valley friends. To make your cooking experience smoother, always keep a good supply of coal ore in your inventory. Growing a large patch of wheat in the peaceful meadow will ensure you never run out for this and other recipes. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This delicious lobster roll is a fantastic addition to your Dreamlight Valley culinary skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.